These 5 habits are keeping freelancers poor, and I'm not just talking about those who are struggling to find clients. Even high-earning freelancers fall into these traps, and it's costing them dearly. What's up, Budgeteers? Welcome back to BudgetBoss, where every dollar gets a job. If you've ever felt like you're working hard but not getting ahead financially, stick around, because we're going to fix that right now. First up, the habit of saying yes to every single client. You get an email, you're excited, you say yes. Another one, another yes. Before you know it, your schedule is packed with low-paying gigs, demanding clients, and work you don't even enjoy. Your best energy is spent on projects that barely move the needle. Here's the secret. Top-tier freelancers say no way more than they say yes. They protect their time and energy for high-value work that aligns with their goals. Start being selective. Learn to politely decline projects that aren't a great fit. It feels scary at first, but it's the first step to reclaiming your focus and boosting your income. Your goal isn't to be busy, it's to be profitable and fulfilled. The second habit that's a real wallet drainer is rewarding yourself after every single project. You finish a big job, the payment hits your account, and you immediately think, I deserve a treat. That might be a new gadget, a fancy dinner, or an online shopping spree. While it's great to celebrate your wins, this mindset creates a dangerous cycle of earning and burning. It prevents you from building any real savings or investments. Instead of spending that income immediately, create a system. A portion goes to taxes, a portion to savings, a portion to business expenses, and then, yes, a small portion can go into a rewards fund. This way, you're celebrating responsibly without sabotaging your long-term financial health. Habit number 3 is having no weekly review. If you're just bouncing from task to task, week after week, with no time for reflection, you're flying blind. You can't improve what you don't measure. Successful freelancers take just 30 minutes every week, maybe on a Friday afternoon, to look back. They ask simple questions. How much did I earn this week? What were my expenses? Which activities brought me the most value? Which tasks were a waste of time? This simple ritual helps you spot patterns, fix mistakes before they become massive problems, and make sure you're on track to hit your monthly and yearly goals. It's your personal board meeting, and you're the CEO. Don't skip it. All right, habit number 4 is ignoring the feast and famine cycle. As a freelancer, your income will have peaks and valleys. One month you might make $10,000, and the next you might make $2,000. The mistake is living like you'll make $10,000 every single month. When the money is good, you spend it all. Then, when a slow month inevitably comes, panic sets in. The solution is to plan for it. When you have a high-income month, don't upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, set aside a larger chunk of that cash into an emergency fund or a buffer account. This buffer is what will carry you through the slower periods without stress. It smooths out your income and lets you make clear-headed business decisions instead of desperate ones. The 5th and final habit is having zero boundaries. Answering client emails at midnight, taking calls on a Sunday, accepting last-minute rush jobs for no extra pay. This isn't hustle, it's a direct path to burnout. And when you're burned out, your creativity suffers, your work quality drops, and your income becomes inconsistent because you're too exhausted to perform at your best. You need to set clear work hours and communicate them to your clients. Turn off notifications after a certain time. Charge a rush fee for urgent, after-hours work. Protecting your personal time isn't selfish, it's a crucial business strategy. A well-rested freelancer is a productive and profitable freelancer. So, let's quickly recap the fixes. Start saying no to the wrong clients to make room for the right ones. Create a financial system instead of spending after every project. Schedule a non-negotiable weekly review to track your progress. Build a cash buffer during high-income months to prepare for the slow ones. And finally, set firm boundaries to protect your time and energy. These small, consistent habits are what separate the stressed, struggling freelancers from the stable, thriving ones. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you're looking for a simple way to get organized and implement these changes, I designed the BudgetBoss Planner specifically for freelancers. It helps you track your income, manage your expenses, set goals, and plan your growth, all in one place. It's the system I use to stay on track. If you want to check it out, the link is right below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building a successful freelance business.